Hello friends, good afternoon. Today I am coming up with another good topic about Odoo version 18.4 and its new exciting features in the project management app. So the feature is all about now you can create a project template that is already available, but with project template you can define the task templates, and inside task you can assign the roles and then give the assignees also. So based on roles and based on assignees, the entire logic will work. So what I have done is I have created some demo data with different type of employees over here, which you can see like Java developer, myself, then Odoo developer, PHP developer, project manager, and tech leads. Okay, I can even define more, but these are the employee names which I am going to utilize. And then over here in our project and task templates, I can assign them. Okay, and then what I have done is I have created the project template over here. So if I create a new project like Odoo project will become a template, and here is the project manager, let's say, but I will define any timeline over here. Then I can define the policy over here, the billability also. I don't want task. Then I have defined a project template first, and then what I will do, I will define the task templates. Inside task I will write like CRM development, and then project will be Odoo project. But I will not choose assignees, but I will select the Odoo developer. Then I will say sales development. Then again Odoo project I will remove, and then I will select Odoo developer over here. Then I will say report development. So these are my task masters I am creating right now without any assignees, but with the roles. And then inside my employees, what I will do is I will create another dev2 over here, and then simply create a new user dev2@odoo.com kind of thing. And then once it is set, then this employee and this type of things are also available in my project. So in my project, and then if I go again task template, then here are my masters, and over here if I want to say this task should be assigned to the another one, so what I will do, I will say project roles which are available over here. Then Odoo developer 1 is one role, then Odoo developer 2 will be of another role. So now project roles are here, and then task templates both are here. And here for the report development, I will give it to Odoo developer 2. Now what it will do, like if I want to preset my roles with any of the assignees, like I can select like Odoo developer and Odoo dev 2 both. And then over here for the sales development, let me select only Odoo developer, and for CRM development I would like to select Odoo dev 2. So under my Odoo project, these are the tasks, and then I would also like to create a new task, Odoo project management, and then my main project will be this, and here I would like to assign the project manager as this person. So if I launch integration project, this will be my team for this particular roles, and this task template will connect to this main project. So this is the advantage we will get in pre-configure project. It's roles and then assignees. So now let's say if we are creating a new project and I am using any of the template, it will launch accordingly. Let's say I am creating a new project like customer 2 Odoo custom project, and I will say customer 2 will be there to whom we will bill, and then I will define a timeline also over here, like I would like to start from 14th July, and this project is probably end by 30th September, and this will be the role I'm looking for. If I want to change any assignee, definitely I can do it from here, otherwise it will pick the assignee from my backend team. So I'm creating the project, and then it has created 4 different tasks, and then it has assigned all the different people over here in my project like this. So now you can see inside my project, the assignees are already there according to the task template we have defined. Now let's say in another task template, like I have another project like integration project, where I have project manager is one, and then another project manager, myself. And then I have Odoo developer. If I say I don't want to give any Odoo developer over here, and then let's see how it works. So now if I go into project and create a new project for integration, like integration project for US client, and here USA client, just I'm getting a reference, and then I'm planning my date to begin from 4th of August, and then it will go somewhere around till 31st October. And then here I am not keeping any assignees, and I am creating projects. So it will create a project, and then from our predefined assignees it will pick. So as I didn't define any assignees on neither on task template, neither on project allocation, then it didn't assign anyone. Then I can choose to assign anyone to whom I want to assign this task. So this is how now it will help us to create a project and predefine task according to our project template and task templates. So this task template will always help us now in terms of this. And then if I am creating any task and given predefined timeline also, then definitely it will help. So here you can see a deadline is also there. Then if I create any systematic template with deadline, then it will also summarize that accordingly. So it's a kind of a smart move in Odoo 18.4, which are now more smarter to define project template, task template, and even the project roles and assignees connection over here. So this is a very good feature now. I think we can say in our project tool, which will help many customers. The project deadline is already coming over here, and task deadline can be managed from individual task template. Now let's say if I am creating any services. So if I create any products which say Odoo custom project, and let's say I am only selling this as a service, and it will create project from my Odoo project. So this is how I can also create project by selling this. So if let's say I am selling like anything in prepaid or manually timesheet, then if I'm creating any quotation like Belgium client 1, so Belgium client 1 will become my client, and over here in sales I am selling Odoo custom project worth let's say I say 500 units, means hours for us, worth 100 let's say 100 hours, let's say 2000 rupees per hour is the value. As soon as I confirm, it will launch a project. So Odoo project will be launched based on the template over there, and then it has already created 4 different tasks and already assigned the team over here according to our template. So this is also a way to handle the entire cycle within the existing sales service project creation automation, and the manual project creation from template will work like this. Hope this will help many service industry and service companies, users who are already using Odoo or who wish to try using Odoo project management with version 18.4. Thank you guys. Good day.